Thank you so much for the honor of being on your 100th episode. Just to share a little bit about This is Jamaica and what we're trying to do and the kids we're trying to help. This is Jamaica was written by Peter Gracie. It's a poem where he expresses his love and passion for his country, Jamaica. And from that, it transitioned to a poetry competition where students are expected to recite the words to the poem, and then they are judged based on how they articulate themselves, how they present it. And first prize is usually given US $1,000, second place US 500, third place 250, and the school that the winning student belongs to gets US $500 towards their cultural program. So we're super excited about that and being able to empower these students.
Excellent, excellent. Very, very, very important cause. We have a clip of one of the students performing the This Is Jamaica poem written by Peter Gracie. Mr. P, go ahead and play that clip for us, please.
This is Jamaica by Peter Gracie.
This is Jamaica. This is my country. A son of this island, a daughter of this land. Fearless of fear, I stand in awe. Only love prevails, secured in God's hands. This is Jamaica, where joy cometh in the morn. Surrounded by mystic waters, crashing onto the shores, where only heroes are born. If only you knew Jamaica as well as I do, then you would utter, I love you, Jamaica. God knows I do. This is Jamaica, a simple speck in the universe. Our hearts beat and pulse in every nation, but only second to the kingdom of God. We put Jamaica first. I am Jamaica, regardless of where you may find me. Black, green, and gold is the marrow in my bones. So if I should die away from my island, I pray to God to take me home.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Whoa.
Wow.
Empowering, impactful, and for the youth. Those words are so meaningful. How does it feel for you to hear them recited in such an impactful way?
You're referring to me, right? Or the person?
Yes. Yes, of course.
I think it's always moving to hear the rendition of a different student because they're expressing their own selves, they're how they feel about it, and to see her bringing out bringing out herself in that country area, with the machete chopping, we used to do it and all that, and the passion that she puts in it, um, it just shows that if we continue to do things like this, the children of Jamaica will be okay. Jamaica will be fine, because what we're doing, the mission of this is Jamaica is to empower the children of Jamaica to restore and preserve the culture through poetry and the creative arts, and that's exactly what she's doing. So it's always interesting to hear how other children's renditions come through, and how they express themselves and how they truly feel about Jamaica.
Indeed. She brought the theatric. She had the music in the background, the wardrobe, everything. Bringing it to life, and every year, all right. There's so many students who enter the competition, and it continues to grow year to year. And tell us about that reason for doing Grassroots and the importance of it, because you're doing this before the hurricane. I can imagine now, right? Even
Let
greater
me tell you
need.
something. That girl, I don't remember. I didn't see the name, but I think her name was Jaleesa Hardy. Is that her?
Yes, yes.
Right. So I remember her because that was the first year. That was during COVID,
Oh wow.
and she was Oliver Samuel's choice to win. Pick to win. So I remember her, and and she brought that thing out of her. Um, this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica is about us. It's about us. It's not about me or anything, and it's not about the president. It's not about the organization. It's about us. It's about everyone who gets involved. Because what we try to do is we try to create partnerships with people to join us on the movement. That's all it is, and we don't hold anyone hostage. We just try to bring everyone in.
Right.
It's not about who is a president or who is a vice president, who is a founder. It has nothing to do with that. I'm tired of them foolishness there. It's not about titles. When I deal with titles, we're not in place here. We
See.
talk about helping people and helping children and helping Jamaica. Because at the end of the day, all of us are going to drop dead. And the children are going to be the one who's going to take up that baton and make
Yeah.
Jamaica a better place.
Yep.
You
Facts.
understand? So we have to think like that and get out of this thing. A lot of us we're in our age right now where we have less time ahead of us than behind us, and we are looking at the things that are not important.
Yes.
You know,
Jeez, but
Indeed.
we
feel
have to
that.
focus. We have to focus on the children and focus on what is going to sustain our last name, our legacy, if you want to call it, or whatever it is. It's going to be those children. So we need to let go of ourselves and just deal with what's important.